Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this stitching gun for clothing kit. And I got sent out this one for review. This is everything that it includes in the box. It looks like a silicone gun. It has like black and white threads. And also it includes the needle replacement. You can have a fine needle for the clothing, and you have like a kind of a manual of instructions where it has the easy to use. You can just put the needle right here and lock it in place, and then you will insert the label in and start using it with your by pressing the tag. Okay, so here is how we are using these. So you can actually, if you have like a business, you can just use these tags right here. These will help to tag all your items very easily. So here you're tagging, you can use the white or the black one, and you can stitch this with this tag. You can also use it to fix your puppet. You can attach clothes to brass straps. You can use it to keep the sleeves or your pants, skirts up. And you can use it also for your curtains or to stitch a low cut on your clothing. Okay, so it is really, really easy to use. And if you don't know how to sew, I think this is perfect for you. You need to remove first the plastic right here and unlock the needle. Then you will be inserting the needle. And once you do that, you will be inserting this thread, and as you can see, it will stitch and prevent. I love that it has the case where you can put everything together now, and also it is really easy to use. So these are the tags. You just press the trigger to stick in the tags and then let it go. Then it will start adding the tags. So this is ideal to tagging fabrics, or maybe you can use it for other tags or for promote your products as well. I love this gun because it is so easy to use and to fix your clothes this way.